Hello and welcome to our channel where we delve, dive, and dip into food health connections for people and pets. In this channel we take a high-level look at the health benefits linked to foods, and then we provide some food and non-alcoholic drink ideas to help you incorporate these into your everyday life. In this video we will explore the incredible health benefits of turmeric. This golden spice has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and cooking, and its medicinal properties are truly remarkable. Today, we will delve into some of the health benefits of turmeric that you should know. From its powerful anti-inflammatory effects to its potential for fighting chronic diseases, turmeric is a true superfood that can enhance your well-being in numerous ways. Once we explore this superfood, we'll also take you on a culinary journey of some turmeric-infused, delicious food dish and drink ideas. Stay tuned to uncover the amazing benefits that turmeric can offer for your health and overall vitality. Let's get started. May improve brain function and lower risk of brain diseases. Turmeric has amazing potential to enhance brain function and reduce the risk of brain diseases. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has been shown to cross the blood-brain barrier, where it may help promote the growth of new brain cells and improve cognitive function. Additionally, turmeric's powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties can protect the brain from oxidative stress and inflammation, which are linked to neurodegenerative disorders like Alzheimer's disease. Strong antioxidant properties. Turmeric's exceptional antioxidant properties, where free radicals are neutralized, add to the list of benefit this spice provides. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, is a potent antioxidant that helps neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress in the body. By combating oxidative damage at the cellular level, turmeric can protect against chronic diseases, inflammation, and premature aging. Its ability to remove free radicals and support the body's natural defense mechanisms make turmeric a powerhouse in promoting overall health and well-being. May improve symptoms of depression. Turmeric's potential to alleviate symptoms of depression is an unexpected, but much appreciated natural option for those who suffer from mental illness. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has been studied for its antidepressant effects, which may help improve mood and reduce feelings of sadness and anxiety. By boosting levels of serotonin and dopamine, neurotransmitters that play a key role in regulating mood, turmeric can offer a natural approach to managing symptoms of depression. May provide powerful anti-inflammatory benefits. Turmeric's remarkable anti-inflammatory effects provides an extensive list of health benefits. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, is renowned for its potent anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation throughout the body. Chronic inflammation is linked to a wide range of health issues, including heart disease, cancer, and autoimmune conditions. By inhibiting inflammatory pathways and cytokines, turmeric can help alleviate pain, swelling, and discomfort associated with inflammatory conditions. Its ability to modulate the immune response and support overall health makes turmeric a standout superfood for combating inflammation and promoting wellness. Let us know your thoughts on the health benefits of turmeric in the comments section below this video. Food and drink ideas. Now that we understand the amazing health benefits of turmeric, let's splash out some delicious and healthy turmeric food dish and drink ideas that you must try. Turmeric is not only a flavorful spice but also packed with incredible health benefits. In this video, we will explore a variety of mouth-watering recipes and beverages that incorporate turmeric, providing both taste and wellness in every bite. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds and boost your health with these amazing turmeric-infused creations. Stay tuned to discover the 6 delicious, healthy turmeric food dishes and drinks. Turmeric Golden Milk. Turmeric Golden Milk, a soothing and aromatic beverage, with comforting qualities and health benefits. This warm concoction combines turmeric, milk, and spices to create a creamy and flavorful drink that is perfect for relaxation. The anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric make this beverage a popular choice for promoting overall well-being. Turmeric Golden Milk still offers a delightful and nourishing experience. Turmeric Chickpea Quinoa Salad. Turmeric Chickpea Quinoa Salad has earthy, nutrient-packed ingredients, and delightful flavors. This salad combines fluffy quinoa with a medley of fresh vegetables, herbs, and a zesty turmeric dressing. The earthy undertones of turmeric complement the lightness of the quinoa, creating a harmonious blend of textures and tastes. Turmeric quinoa salad stands out for its simplicity, healthfulness, and satisfying crunch, making it a wholesome and delicious choice. Turmeric chicken curry. Turmeric chicken curry is known for its rich and aromatic flavors that tantalize the taste buds. The warm hues of turmeric lend a beautiful golden color to the dish, enhancing its visual appeal. This dish features tender chicken pieces simmered in a fragrant turmeric-infused curry sauce, creating a symphony of spices and textures. The chicken in this dish has added health benefits with its collagen properties. For more information on foods that boost collagen production in our body, click on the link in the description. Turmeric lentil soup. Turmeric lentil soup is a hearty and wholesome soup. This comforting soup combines earthy lentils with a blend of aromatic spices, including the golden touch of turmeric. The vibrant colors and robust flavors of this dish make it a standout choice for a nourishing meal. The creamy texture of the lentils, paired with the warmth of turmeric, creates a satisfying and nutritious bowl of goodness. Turmeric lentil soup shines for its simplicity, health benefits, and comforting taste profile. Turmeric ginger tea. Turmeric ginger tea is known for its invigorating blend of flavors and impressive health benefits. This soothing beverage combines the warmth of ginger with the earthy notes of turmeric, creating a harmonious and revitalizing drink. The anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric, combined with the digestive benefits of ginger, make this tea a strong house of wellness. The spicy kick of ginger complements the subtle bitterness of turmeric, resulting in a refreshing and comforting beverage. To learn more about the health benefits of ginger, click on the link in the description below. Turmeric roasted cauliflower. Turmeric roasted cauliflower is exceptional for its blend of flavors, textures, and health benefits. This dish features cauliflower florets coated in a golden turmeric-infused seasoning and roasted to perfection, resulting in a crispy exterior and tender interior. The earthy and slightly peppery taste of turmeric enhances the natural sweetness of the cauliflower, creating a delightful and nutritious dish. Turmeric roasted cauliflower stands out for its simplicity, versatility, and ability to elevate a humble vegetable into a culinary masterpiece. We've explored 6 delicious and healthy turmeric-infused dishes and drinks that are sure to tantalize your taste buds and boost your well-being. From comforting soups to invigorating teas, each item on our list offers a unique culinary experience enriched with the goodness of turmeric. We hope these food and drink ideas made you excited to explore the world of turmeric-infused cuisine and discover the amazing flavors and benefits it has to offer. Let turmeric spice up your life and health, one delicious dish at a time. In this video, we've uncovered some important health benefits of turmeric, a golden spice with incredible medicinal properties. From its powerful anti-inflammatory effects to its potential in improving brain function, turmeric offers a wide range of advantages for overall health and well-being. We encourage you to delve deeper into the benefits of turmeric and consider incorporating this superfood into your diet. We hope this video was of value to you and you feel inspired to try out these food ideas and explore the world of turmeric. If you found this video informative and engaging, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on nutrition, health, and wellness.